Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Range Rover today, 2017 model. Here is the TV function in the car from factory. We have activated this TV function while driving. So here you can see right now the car is parked and the TV is working, but I will drive the car and show you that it's working while driving as well. So here we will put the car in D drive. So here is the car is running. We will go out from here. So here you can see the car is in 20 speed and still the video is working. So this is the video while driving. We have activated its watch video while driving function in the car, and if you need any function like this, any kind of activation in your any car, even it's a German car, BMW, Mercedes or any Range Rover, you can contact us. We can do this activation with this laptop. You need just a Windows laptop and a cable that we will suggest you. This an OBD cable that needs to connect with the laptop and the car. So here you can see the video is not stopped while driving, even I am going more than 30. So here is the video. You can see, you can watch video while driving. If you need any kind of this activation or programming, you can contact us. We can do this activation remote as well, like if you are from any other country in except Sweden, so you can contact us. We will suggest you a cable you will buy from your local store, and then we will activate it remotely. So here you can see we have all the functions and features activated in the car. We have activated the CarPlay, Android Auto as well. So I will park the car. So here you can see it's back on the cartoon again. So if you want this kind of any upgrade, any coding, programming, you can contact us. I will provide all the contact information in the description below. That's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.